Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and I'm Shubha. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel because here I create a lot of fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. In today's topic, I'm going to tell you that how you can carry 7 kg plus 3 kg, that means total of 10 kgs of hand luggage in IndiGo Airlines. I'm a frequent traveler, so I thought why not share all these information with you so that you can also get benefited out of it. First of all, I thank you so much for being here with me today. If you like watching me and if you find my videos helpful, I would be so happy if you be a part of this community and help me grow on YouTube. Thank you so much, and with that, let's begin with the topic. So recently I have shared different topic about how to travel and packaging allowance, how to pack, TSA rules and all those stuff. All those videos will be linked in the description box below. Later, if you want, you can check that out. I will talk through my experience with IndiGo Airlines and how later I discovered that IndiGo has written that on their website as well. So whatever I'm talking to you is legit and you will not face any kind of problem, or you can challenge the airport authorities, the staff in IndiGo Airlines at the airport, if they don't allow you to carry 10 kilo of hand luggage. If you want, you can also check out the link of whatever I'm talking to you today, that this is authentic. I will link that in the description box as well, so that in case anytime you have to challenge somebody at the airport while you are traveling, if they tell you no, you are not allowed to carry 10 kgs of hand luggage, you are only allowed to carry 7 kg, then you can show that particular IndiGo website or the page to them and tell them that this is why I'm carrying 10 kg of hand luggage. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what happened is, recently I was traveling from Singapore to India, and that time we were relocating. We were about to come back like for good to India, and that is the reason why we had a lot of luggage with us. And every inch and bit matters at that point of time, because from Singapore to India you are only allowed to carry in IndiGo 30 kg of check-in luggage. So I was like, we have to throw a lot of stuff there. Whatever, that is a different story. But talking about this, then I started researching on how to carry more, if there is any option to carry even a little bit more of the luggage that I have. So in that way I found out that IndiGo allows additional 3 kg of hand luggage, and I will tell you how you can arrange your luggage in that way. So for example, in your hand luggage you are taking stuff, whatever you want to put, you put everything into that till 7 kg. Along with that, you can carry a purse. If you are a female, you can have your handbag or whatever, a shoulder bag along with that. That is not counted, but make sure it does not look very stuffy, so that the officer on the other side think like, okay, let me check what is the weight of her this handbag. So make sure it does not look very stuffy or very big. It should be a normal handbag. And along with that, you are allowed to carry a laptop bag with a laptop or your personal belongings, such as you can have a camera, or you can have, if you have a kid, they can have their books in it, or you can have a laptop as well. So this is how you can carry 3 extra kilos with you. So that laptop or backpack can have the laptop, its accessories, a book that you want to read, a magazine that you want to read while you are traveling, and some food items you can keep in that. So the total weight should be not more than 3 kgs of that bag. And for example, if you are buying something, if you are thinking that I'm here, I'm in a foreign destination, I want to take something back home, or I'm leaving this country forever, I want to buy something for myself or my family and friends. So in that case, if you are purchasing anything at the airport, make sure it is counted within that 3 kg of extra luggage that you are carrying. If you have any plan of buying anything at the airport, then make sure that you have space from that 3 kg of extra luggage that you're allowed in IndiGo, because IndiGo allows a maximum of 3 kg extra, including whatever you buy at the airport. However, rules are different when it comes to alcohol. If you want to know more about buying and packing alcohol for your flights, then watch this next video. So that was all about today's video, but make sure that whatever we discussed today about the 3 kg of extra hand luggage, that is only applicable for IndiGo. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all and bye-bye.